from Indian Institute of Science under the leadership of Dr. K.I. Vasu. They celebrated the birthday of Sir C.V. Raman. We all know Sir C.V. Raman. And that occasion provided a platform to debate on the current situation in this particular area. Then they continued with those celebrations, not only continued with the celebrations, they were all very intellectual giants, so they deliberated more. And by 1989, a group of very well-known people from Acharya Dharappa, Shiva Subramanian from US, Dato Panditya, such stalwarts came together again in Bangalore to see how this thought can be taken forward. And based on that meeting, in 1991, October 19 to 21st, there was a meeting of around 75 persons from about 10 states across India in Khapri, which resulted in the formation of Vigyan Bharati. Vigyan Bharati, there are 4 points on which Vigyan Bharati wants to act. One is propagating the scientific heritage of Bharat. And the next point is popularizing science in local languages. Because today I am talking to you, maybe I came from around say a few hundred kilometers away, and I am talking to you in a language 6,000 kilometers away. Because I cannot talk to you in Malayalam, you will not understand, and I am not able to talk in Telugu also. But this language problem actually deprives a large section of our society to get into the intricacies of science. And any language which doesn't acquire scientific terminology is found to be vain. Why Sanskrit is sustaining even today? Because Sanskrit has the capacity to has the terminology for any scientific usage today, even after thousands of years. So we have to strengthen our language, our languages. The idea is popularizing science in regional languages, and for that we conduct science congresses in regional language. And actually, the 23rd Science Congress in Kerala is happening November 6, 7, 8 at Kottayam. So they give a lot of importance to scientific papers in Malayalam. And promotion of Swadeshi sciences. Science is universal, but at the same time, each science has its own regional roots, national roots. Like Ayurveda, it is Indian. Siddha, it is Indian. It is a science and it is a universal science, but it has an Indian ethos. So Swadeshi sciences, promoting Swadeshi sciences and taking science and spirituality together. Probably one of the biggest proponents of science and spirituality could be Dr. Abdul Kalam. He has always talked about spirituality. And how we act, we have 11 streams like Bharati Vigyan Sammelan, where language papers and science papers from across India comes. It started in 2007. World Ayurveda Congress, it started in 2002. It is the largest platform for Ayurveda in the world today. The 5th edition happened in Bhopal. There were representatives from around 30 countries, around 5,500 delegates, around 2 lakh square feet of a exhibition, and a mini township had to be built to host that event. Then for Ayurveda students, there is NASYA, National Ayurveda Students and Youth Association. We had a Urja Yatra from across the country, from Kanyakumari, Rajkot, Jammu and Calcutta, converging at Nagpur in 2011. It started on the birthday of Swami Vivekananda and converged and concluded with India International Energy Summit. As a follow-up, we have National Energy Environment Development Mission, NEED mission, which actually looks into the question of energy and sustainable energy in a large way, and also the environment. We know environment is a concern for all of us today. Our rivers, our waste, it is all matters of concern, and NEED mission looks into those aspects. Then we have a program called Vidyarthi Vidyan Manthan, started out as Shastra Pratibha Matsaram in Kerala 10